How to use Pictory with Voiceover. So this is a pretty simple tutorial. All you need to do is click on script to video and then paste the script that you have ready. Now I will advise to kind of separate the text a little bit. For example, a single sentence goes into a single line. And there you go. I have the text ready right here. And now simply click proceed. I'm gonna choose this one right here, but it doesn't really matter which one you choose. And now to add the voiceover, you need to head over to audio on the left side of the screen. And then click voiceover. It has a lot of voices with a lot of different accents, different genders, and age. So let's say I want a male voice. And you can click this button next to the name to preview their voice. So let's see how Tom sounds like.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
Let's say I want an English accent.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
Oh yeah, this is the one. So I'm gonna use this voice right here. I'm gonna click apply. And I can even add it to favorites, so I'm gonna add it to my favorites. Now I can go over to the heart, and Arthur is gonna be right here. This is useful if you want a consistent voiceover on all of your videos. So let's see how he sounds like.
The STB-1 was a main battle tank designed and produced by Japan in the late 1960s.
You can implement your own voiceover if you want. Right here under the video, it's gonna say add voiceover. You're just gonna hover above this, and here you can record a voiceover or upload a voiceover of your own. And there you go. That's how to use Pictory with voiceover. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.